Good morning, everyone. Today, Mr. Zuckerman is going to teach you guys how to insert a link from your Google Drawings, which is a G Suite application, so that you guys can show me your infographic about the 3 estates from French society during the French Revolution. What you will need to do is access Google Drawings, which is a G Suite application, and how you do that is go to Google Drawings here in the search bar. It will take you to this link here. It's one of the first ones that pops up. And what appears on your screen will be a blank canvas, okay, with what looks like Google Docs. Okay, you have the same tools almost: file, edit, view, insert, format, arrange tools, and help. Okay, you have print, magnifying glass, text boxes, insert image, the explore tool or add comments, and so forth. Okay, and what you need to do is first give your drawing or your infographic, on your case, a title. And for this purpose, Mr. Zuckerman is going to give this test Google Drawings. Okay, test. I'm showing you guys what we're doing here. And you guys are going to be making infographics. And Mr. Zuckerman is going to just add a image. I'll add a, looks like a comic book bubble here. And what you'll see is that it adds it in here. You can then add a text box in here to add text. Hello. Happy New Year. Okay. Now, you need to share this with Mr. Zuckerman. I need to see that you guys are working on your infographics. Okay. And how you do that is you go to the share button, this blue share button over here. Okay. And you guys need to hit change link to Palisades Park Public Schools. This blue link here. Click on the blue link and make sure that this says checkmark Palisades Park Public Schools. Make sure it says view only, copy link. Copy the link. It'll say link copied. Click done. Okay. Then you'll go to your homework assignment. Okay. You'll go to the homework assignment that you'll be working on in class. Here, you guys will click and insert the link. Okay, Mr. Zuckerman inserts the link, and now you'll see that this appears. You'll get a link here that will take you back to your Google Drawing.